What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to replace a fuel pump on a 2011 all the way up to 2023 Dodge Charger with a 3.6 liter V6. On the driver's side, this specific one is a flex fuel. All right, so let's get started. Number one, be sure to lift the trunk and disconnect your battery. Okay, so here we go. That's where it's located. Remove that 10mm nut and take that negative terminal off. All right. Step number two, your fuel pump in these cars is located underneath the back seat. All right, lucky for you, the back seat is being held by a couple of clips. So just lift up really hard and you're gonna have it come off. All right, same thing over here. Do it on the other side too. There you go. So now lift and move it to the side and you will have this soundproof mat. You can lift this up and ta-da, we have exposed our fuel pump. This is your wiring. You can take this off by just simply going like this and removing it. For this right here, we're gonna need a screwdriver and a hammer to remove this fuel pump connection. All you gotta do is press down on this tab and pull out, just like this. All right, let me show you. So you push in, press this tab to lift the little locking tab, pull out, just like that. All right. Now that's free. All right, so this locking ring right here, the way we're gonna do that is, I believe they sell some special tools, but we don't have that. So we're just gonna go ahead and go counterclockwise, put it on the tab, grab the hammer, and then we can hit that with the hammer, you know, tap it. Boom, 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 just like that. And then this is gonna come out. It's gonna slide up and come out. All right, so I'm gonna take you outside and show you real quick what it's gonna look like underneath, okay? Let's go. All right, so this is what your fuel pump is gonna look like. You have already unplugged the sensor from right here and you have already removed that locking ring. So this, the way it's held in, is being held in by a spring. If you notice, it's being held in by this spring like this, and you're gonna be able to remove this spring, flip it around, and it's gonna give you these clips. You're gonna have two. One on the left side and one on the right side. In order to remove them, you're gonna press on this tab, either push in and pull out, or just press the tab and pull this wire out. Just like this. I'm pushing in a little bit and then push this tab to the right and pull it out. All right? Should come right out. There we go. See? It has double tabs, so you gotta get this bottom tab to come off. The same thing on the other side. It's gonna be a black plastic clip. Press on that, pull it out, and then you'll be able to take this off, move it to the side, and you're gonna have this here with probably some gas inside, okay? And there's gonna be a couple of hoses. There's gonna be two hoses right here that connect to your other pump on the other side. All you gotta do is you can grab a tool, you can just grab your hand and pull them up. One, pull up the other one, two, it's gonna come right off very easily. And then this third one's gonna be kind of tricky because it's gonna be a plastic one that's gonna be down here with like a clip. What you need to do is you need to pull down on it, press in on the clip, and then wiggle it and pull it up. It's gonna come out like a charm. Then that's gonna be sitting in the tank. All you're gonna do is you're gonna pull it up and you're gonna pull it out to the side like that. So you can get this thing to come out and put it in a bucket somewhere where you won't spill the gas. Your new pump is gonna come with a ring. You can replace the old ring and then put the locking mechanism back in. Keep in mind that locking thing had some markings on it so you could get back to where it was. All right, and that's just it. That's a quick way on how you do it. Put it back, the same thing's gonna be, you put the new one back in into the tank. You can put it in with this floater thing first so it can be nice. Put it in and then connect your hoses, the big one on the right and then the small one on the left, and then the plastic one goes on top. You'll know exactly what I'm talking about when you open that up, okay? Then plug these things back in and you make sure that your pump goes back the same way it came. Make sure you're not messing with no wires in there. Put it back in there, tighten the locking ring, connect it, close it back up, and the job's done. Just like that, we have a running Charger. So like I said, all you need is a screwdriver and a hammer and a 10mm to disconnect the negative battery terminal. Please disconnect the negative battery terminal. Be sure you're in a well ventilated area so the gas fumes don't get to you. or you don't catch a fire, and you're good to go. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Thank you very much.